How to change your password on Dollar General. If you want to change your password on Dollar General, it's fairly simple for us to do so. What we have to do is we go ahead and then first of all launch the Dollar General app, and this is usually the interface that you're going to be able to see. Now let's say that you forgot your password. You just have to tap on the option that says forgot password. Enter the email address under which your Dollar General account was associated with, and you have to make sure that you have got access to this email address because Dollar General might actually send a code or a verification link to this email. So let me just go ahead and then quickly type in my email right here, then tap on send email button. So right over here you can see it says if the email address you entered matches what we have in our system, you'll receive an email from us shortly. And after that, you'll receive an email to reset your Dollar General account. This way, you'll be able to change your Dollar General password. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.